Hey, this is Kayla with Benchmark, and in today's video I will be showing you how to set up a S631 as a network base in FieldGenius Android and the web UI. I already have a SIM card in my S631, and I have FieldGenius and a project already open, so I'm ready to go. To start off, I'm actually going to set up the base as I normally would with the internal UHF radio. I'll go to Select Instrument and connect to my S631 base profile. Once connected, I will go through all the steps to set up my base. So I'm going to set up my antenna height. The height I have here is 1.5 meters, which is accurate. Next, I will go to set up the reference position. I'm going to choose Observe, and I will click Start, so that I am taking an average position, and I will let it go for a little bit here. Once I have a sufficient number of observations, I'll click Stop. Then I will click Done at the bottom. I'm going to save this point. Now I will set up corrections. As I had already set up this unit previously with the UHF radio, it is pulling those same settings, so I'm actually just going to click Start Transmitting. Then I will click Done, and FieldGenius will automatically disconnect me from the base. Now I'm going to connect to my base through the web UI. I'm going to do this on my desktop computer, but you can still do this on your data collector or even your phone. I have an incognito tab open in Chrome, but you can use any web browser. I'm going to go to the network settings on my computer and look for the one that matches the serial number of the S631 I'm using, which is the one ending in 1046 here, so I'll click Connect. I'll go back to my web browser and put in address 192.168.10.1. It asks for username and password. The username is admin, all lowercase. The password is S631, again being lowercase. Once I'm logged in, I can see the status page. I can see that the base has started, meaning it is broadcasting its location, and the current data link is UHF. In order to change that to network, I'll go to the top right and click Settings. System mode is base, and current data link, I am going to change it to network. I will scroll down. I'm going to make sure my network link is set to SIM card network. Next, I have some blank fields for the APN, IP address, mount point, etc. that I'll have to fill in. I have a hologram SIM card in my receiver, so my APN is hologram, and the user and password are left blank. If you're unsure about the APN information for your carrier, you can always just Google that pretty easily. I want to make sure my connect mode is ntrip. The network I'm going to use is our StormCaster service. My IP address is ntrip.stormcaster.net. My port is 2101. The mount point is set to the serial number of my unit, but I'm going to change that. Then I will put in my password. Once I have confirmed all of that info is correct, I will click Save. I get a message across the top stating settings were saved successfully, and if I look at the current data link, it is set to network and it is currently connecting. Then it will go to initializing, and now it is transmitting. That process can take a minute or two, but once it is transmitting, my base is now broadcasting its position using the cell network. Now I can switch back to FieldGenius and connect to my network rover, but that is everything for today's video on how to set up a network base in FieldGenius Android and the S631 web UI. For more videos like this, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you have any questions, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204. or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.